very important is on not only on the quality and the quantity of steel TMT which is required by the consumers. Yes, Tata Steel takes a lot of care to ensure that the product produced is as per the BIS standards and is of the right quality. We also make a lot of efforts to make consumers aware on the correct practices of construction.
We in TMT bars are producing nothing less than Fe500D grade, and incidentally we are producing Fe550D and Fe600D. So these materials we are trying to promote in India so that they can use a better quality material which has a longer elongation and longer life.
Some steel which is available in market is not up to the required standards, and steps have to be taken jointly with the government to ensure that poor quality steel does not reach the consumers and they do not suffer. The TMT rebars which we offer to our customers in the retail space is served through 6,000 dealers and is also made available online through Ashiana.
We definitely as a company has a setup at our all steel plants locations where we give a thrust to the spending on this R&D network so that we produce the best quality of steel in India.
Infrastructure projects like bridges, ports, airports, tunnels, etc. require high quality steel. The supply to such projects cannot be done by a normal TMT producer, as there is a very well laid down vendor selection and approval procedure by various government departments. Only the best steel producers with right equipments capable of producing and delivering consistently high quality as per BIS will be able to qualify. The most popular and in-demand grades are CRS and 500D. This is because of the high quality of 500D grades TMT bars which have been supplied by Electrotherm to the market consistently over the last many years.
We produce range of TMT bars from 8 mm to 36 mm TMT bar sizes in the quality of 500D TMT bars only. The 500D is the TMT bars which has been approved by the central government for all over their bridges, dams, flyovers, because it has the quality of strength and elasticity both only.
As far as the government policy of 300 million tons is concerned by 2030, definitely industry is prepared for it, and industry is making investment as well as plans for achieving this goal. As far as JSW is concerned, we are at present a 18 million ton capacity, and we hope to achieve 50 million tons in 2025. JSW is on a right path, and as a country definitely we will be achieving 300 million tons by 2050.
The focus of the government on housing, infrastructure creation and many other initiatives which will push the steel demand, we firmly believe that India will consume more than 250 million tons of steel by 2030. We are seeing major demand coming from the infrastructure sector. Housing, especially multi-storied buildings, require high quality steel, and we are also seeing a shift in this segment to quality brands like ETTMT.
India is in the growth path, and we can see that from 14 million tons in 1992 that India has reached to 100 million tons of consumption in 2018. There is a GDP growth of 8%, now we can see that. Government has clear-cut vision to expend huge investment on infrastructure and housings. If this continue, then India will certainly reach to 300 million tons, and we will be the Shyam Steel with the proud for the part of this growth history of India.
Steel capacities in India have gone up tremendously from the 14 million tons in 1992 to 100 million tons now in 2018. And further we are expecting a threefold jump from 100 million to over 300 million by 2030. All in all, very exciting times for steel industry in the coming years.